You tired of normal tent pegs and tie downs? Have you got dogs that are as naughty as this? I think I've got the perfect solution. That's it. That's it. Get that back here. Get it.
From the desert's hot embrace to the cool of eucalyptus shade, no fence holds back the spirit of the path we bravely made. Ten adventures we won't be tamed, blazing trails where wildfires rain.
Probably seen this product advertised a lot on YouTube, or at least I certainly have. Everyone who's spoken about it seems to rave about it, so I thought I'd pick myself up a set and test it out for myself. If you got dogs like we do who will go for any loose cable, this might be an absolute game changer for you. We're hoping it is for us. We know there's going to be a bit of wind today, so we're going to tie the awning down, make sure it's not going to blow away. So let's have a look at what I bought. This is the TieGear Caravan pack, and I've got a couple of extras with it as well. So we're on some pretty rough, rocky ground today. So I've got myself a couple of screw-in pegs. If we're in loose sand, which I thought we might have been being out here, I've also got a couple of sand pegs. I'm not going to be able to try these ones out because these are just not going to get through this rocky ground. But I'm definitely going to be able to use these two. So I'm going to have kind of drill these in a couple of seconds. Now, the rest of what we've got is in this pouch. We've got two of these tie downs, two of these ropes I should say, and two spring hooks. And, importantly, a screw head fitting, hex fitting, to screw in the pegs. Comes in this handy pouch, pretty happy with that. It's good quality. This is the level of naughtiness I'm talking about. Inca, leave it alone. Let's pop that away and let's go hook up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hook this spring fitting up the top here. This can go either end, but I'm going to hook this up the top onto our spring hooks that I've already fitted. And on the bottom, this is two carabiner hooks. I'm just going to put the bottom in here.
Meanwhile,
thanks, Inca. Good girl. Nah, good girl. Good fetch.
Huh.
She's so helpful. So the next thing I'm going to do is drop these in, put a little bit of way out, hopefully out of the walkway. That is not moving. No, we don't need those ones. With these ropes, you've got a handy little zip bag. In here is where you keep all your rope. Conveniently, when you purchase it, it's all zip tied in. Pull some of that out so I can get this zip tie off.
Just going to stop for a moment and rescue the box.
No. I know you're excited, little sweetheart. So this is why we want things out of the way as much as possible. So, with this kit, you've got two ends, a standard D-ring and a carabiner. Now I think I'm going to have to use the carabiner on the bottom end, which is fine. So I'm going to need to lengthen the rope to be able to use this. This item here, I don't know if you can see in here, you can see there's 3 ball bearings. Pull it out and it flows. Stop pulling on the spring here and it locks in place, and those 3 ball bearings in there will hold it in place. So I'm just going to use this carabiner end, hook that through a piece down here, hopefully. There we go. Then with the rest of the bag, hook that into the top there, pull this tight, using the spring here to get it nice and get that flex in. Pull that down, and then I've got all this rope. Now, seeing what the girls are like, you can imagine what this is going to be like. All I need to do to keep this out of their reach and out of their tugging range, wind it up just around your hand like so, untie my hand, fold that up into the pouch just like so, nice and neat and easy, zip it up, and that's out of the way. That's nice and strong, but still has a little bit of flex up here, just so we're not super rigid. You get a little bit of bounce in that wind, but not enough for it to damage itself. That's worked out really well. Inca, you're not on the tool, sweetheart. Alright, let's grab the other one, do the same thing. Yeah. Shh. No. I'm going to say, but as useful as this is, I'm not going to proclaim that the ropes are dog-proof. They're definitely not. Super easy to pull down, and they're locked in place. Now if I need to let this go, all I need to do is pull this up, pull down a little bit, pull up, and it's just going to release. Not too difficult to do, even if you pull this really tight. That's a great locking fitting. And if you're used to the old twin post units that you have a little end in them, you know that they're going to be, they can spring unlocked, and if you knock them, they're not always as stable. There you go. That's the TieGear Caravan kit, and I am suitably impressed, and Inca definitely was as well. What do you think, Bobby?
Love it.
Love it? Awesome. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried one of this, if you're sick of seeing advertising for it. And again, this is not a paid sponsorship. I bought these myself. These are, this is not a sponsored video by TieGear. I've got no discount codes or anything else. This is just my opinion of them after having bought them myself. And that's the deal with this channel. Generally speaking, I don't review things for the sake of reviewing them. I'm not after sponsorships or chasing financial kickbacks or anything else. So this is my opinion. I reckon these are great. I reckon you should pick yourself up a set. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. See you in the next one.